Hi, thanks for clicking the video. A sub to this channel will be well appreciated. Yesterday, Doogee announced they will be launching their latest rugged phone on their official handle on Twitter. According to the details released, it looks like it's gonna be another version of the famous Doogee V30, but a more powerful version of Doogee V30. In terms of specification, Doogee V30T will get a 6.58-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of 120 Hz, a triple camera with a 108 megapixels main module, a 20 megapixels night vision module and a 16 megapixels ultra-wide angle, as well as a 32 megapixels front camera. Doogee V30T will come with a Dimensity 1080 processor, coupled with 12 GB of RAM, virtually expandable up to 20 GB, and standard 256 GB of internal storage. And it is expected to be powered by a 10,800 mAh battery with support for 66-watt fast charging. Doogee V30T will also receive NFC, a fingerprint scanner, IP68, IP69K for water and dust resistance, and military standard 810H protection, and will be made in 3 colors: marble black, rose gold and galaxy gray. Doogee is yet to announce when they will start the sale of Doogee V30T officially, but subscribe for more updates. What do you think about the upcoming Doogee V30T? Let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment and watch our other videos.